am I saying?
Hello everyone. We have a student of e-Techno Mind. His name is Arnav, and today he'll be giving us a demo of double into single digit multiplication.
Hello everyone, my name is Arnav Khantwal and I live in West Delhi. And today I will give you the demo of double into single digit multiplication.
So Arnav, let's start.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 23 multiplied by 8.
Ma'am, 184.
184 is the right answer. Okay. Now 44 multiplied by 9.
Ma'am, 396.
396 is the right answer. Now 94 multiplied by 7.
Ma'am, 658.
658 is the right answer. 38 multiplied by 3.
Ma'am, 114.
114 is the right answer. 39 multiplied by 9.
Ma'am, 351.
351 is the right answer. Now 46 multiplied by 5.
Ma'am, 230.
2330 is the right answer. Now 88 multiplied by 9.
Ma'am, 792.
792 is the right answer. 94 multiplied by 6.
Ma'am, 564.
564 is the right answer. 56 multiplied by 7.
Ma'am, 392.
392 is the right answer. 87 multiplied by 8.
Ma'am, 696.
Correct. 56 multiplied by 4.
Ma'am, 224.
224 is the right answer. Now 88 multiplied by 3.
Ma'am, 264.
It is the right answer. 98 multiplied by 6.
Ma'am, 588.
588 is the right answer. Well done. 23 multiplied by 9.
Ma'am, 207.
207 is the right answer. Now 85 multiplied by 3.
Ma'am, 255.
255 is the right answer. 78 multiplied by 6.
Ma'am, 468.
468 is the right answer. Now 59 multiplied by 7.
Ma'am, 413.
413 is the right answer. 72 multiplied by 9.
Ma'am, 648.
Correct. It is the right answer. 94 multiplied by 8.
Ma'am, 752.
752 is the right answer. 68 multiplied by 9.
Ma'am, 612.
612 is the right answer. 56 multiplied by 7.
Ma'am, 392.
392 is the right answer. 49 multiplied by 7.
Ma'am, 343.
343 is the right answer. Well done, Arnav. Very good.